Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to master a very common but sometimes tricky English word, yet. Yet is versatile. It can function as a conjunction, similar to the word but, and it can function as an adverb, used with verbs or adjectives. Let's break down exactly how to use yet in every situation. Part 1. Yet as a conjunction. Adjectives. First, let's look at using yet to connect two words, usually adjectives. We use this when we want to show a contrast or a surprise. Consider this sentence. The cake is delicious, yet low in calories. Here, yet joins two adjectives, delicious and low. You could use and or but here, but yet is better. Why? Because it emphasizes that this combination is unexpected. Usually, if a cake is delicious, we expect it to be high in calories. Here are a few more examples of this contrast. The solution was simple, yet effective. He is strict, yet kind. Or, going back to food, it is healthy, yet delicious. Again, we often think healthy food implies something like plain kale or raw broccoli, but yet tells us we are getting the best of both worlds. Part 2, yet as a conjunction. Compound sentences. Next, use yet to join two independent clauses. This forms a compound sentence. When you use yet this way, it means something very similar to but or nevertheless. It connects two complete ideas that seem to contradict each other. Look at this example. She lost the race, yet she is determined to compete again. Do you see the comma before yet? That is important for your writing. The first clause is negative, she lost, but the second clause is positive and determined. It shows resilience. You could say, she lost the race, but she wants to compete. That's fine. If you use nevertheless, the punctuation gets harder. You need a semicolon. But yet is the perfect middle ground. It sounds sophisticated and emphasizes the surprise. Let's look at more examples. It was raining, yet we went for a walk. Or their homes were destroyed, yet they are grateful to be alive. That last one is powerful. If your home is destroyed, we don't expect you to be grateful. Yet highlights that beautiful contrast in human emotion. Part 3. Yet as an adverb. Up to now. Now, let's move on to adverbs. The most common way to use yet is to mean up to now or until this time. We almost always use this in negative sentences or questions, and we place it at the very end of the sentence. He hasn't left yet. You can use the past tense, he didn't leave yet, or the present perfect tense, which is very common. He hasn't left yet. You can also use it with the verb to be. I'm not ready yet. The report isn't ready yet. This means that up to this specific moment, the action hasn't happened. Part 4. Yet as an adverb. Future possibility. Sometimes, yet implies that something is destined to happen, or there is a task remaining. In this structure, you will usually see yet, followed by an infinitive verb, to plus verb. We have yet to see the results. This is a more formal way of saying we still have to see the results, or we haven't seen them, but we will. A very famous phrase uses the structure, the best is yet to come. It means the best part is in the future. It is remaining. You might also hear, there is time yet to finish our work. This emphasizes that we aren't out of time. We still have time remaining. Part 5. Expressing frustration and emphasis. Yet is also excellent for expressing emotion, specifically frustration or emphasis when something keeps happening. We often combine it with the word another. This is yet another problem. It sounds much more serious than just saying another problem. It implies the problems are piling up. Or we combine it with again. It happened yet again. He is late yet again. You can even use it as an exclamation. If your computer crashes for the third time today, you might throw your hands up and say, yet again. Part 6. Short answers and common phrases. Finally, let's look at how we use yet in daily casual conversation about time. Every parent knows this question from their kids in the car. Are we there yet? The answer is almost always the same. No, not yet. You don't need a full sentence. If someone asks, has the game begun? Is the video finished? You simply say, not yet. And speaking of finished, is this video finished? Not yet, because I have one last thing to say. I hope this lesson helped you understand the different flavors of the word yet. If it did, please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Consider becoming a member of the channel if you want to support the work I do here. Thank you for watching and keep learning.